Dear students, in this video we are going to see another important problem in the topic income from profession in the subject income tax. The following is a receipt and payment account of Mr. Pradap, an advocate, for the year ended 31st March 2024 is given to you. So, two balance brought down, opening balance 2400 to fee from client for 3 year 21-22 30,000, 22-23 3,000, 23-24 10,000. To present from client 8,000, to loan from bank for professional purpose 15,000. Come to the payment side, by typewriter 8,000, by office expenses 6,000, by salaries 10,000, by interest on loan 2,000, by car expenses 5,000, by income tax 2,000, by life insurance premium 4,000, by rent for the chamber 6,000, by balance carry down, that is closing balance is given 25,400. The total of a receipt and payment account is 68,400. Now come to the adjustment. Depreciation for the car is 5,000. The car was used 60% only for official purpose, remaining 40% for private purpose. Compute income from profession. Remember that any expenditure which is related to car, that should be considered only 60%, because we used only 60% of the car for official purpose, remaining 40 only for private purpose, so that should be ignored. We go with the solution. Computation of professional gain. Draw 3 column particulars, amount. The format is professional receipt minus professional payment or expenses. You can write anything. Professional receipt refers to revenue receipt. Professional payment refers to revenue expenses. So, ignore capital receipt and capital expenses. These two will come in the balance sheet. Receipt will come in the liability, expenditure come in the asset side of the balance sheet. So, just ignore this item while calculating professional income. Now, first is receipt, fee from client. Professional receipt la first one is free from client 21 to 22, 22 to 23, 23 to 24, 30,000, 3,000, 10,000. When you add, you are getting 43,000. Then the first one, second one is present from clients, 8,000. When you add, you are getting 51,000 is a professional receipt. Now come to the payment. Typewriter is a capital expenditure, that should not come here. I told you already, ignore capital expenditure. We should consider only revenue expenses and revenue receipt, but depreciation on typewriter, that should be taken. The rate of depreciation for typewriter is a 15%. So 8,000 into 15% become 1,200. Then office expenses 6,000. Then salaries 10,000, interest on loan 2000, because the purpose of loan is given here. We obtained a loan from bank for professional purpose. So, interest on loan is professional expenses. Then car expenses. I told you already, any expenses and losses related to car should be considered only 60%, because only 60% is used for official purpose. So, car expenses 5000 into 60% comes 3000. Then income tax is a personal expenditure that should be ignored. Life insurance premium is also personal expenditure, that also should be ignored. Then rent for the chamber, that is 6000. Then write the depreciation on car is given 5000, that to 5000 into 60% becomes 3000. Add this, you will be getting professional expenses 1, 7, 17, 18, 19, 22, 28, 31, 200. Now 51,000 minus 31,200, 19,800 is the professional gain. It is important part C problem from the semester examination point of view. Thank you.